Sure. Here's a YouTube video script reviewing the Pininfarina Battista 2025, written in a natural, flowing style without any headings. The Pininfarina Battista 2025 is not just a car. It's a rolling piece of art that merges insane electric performance with Italian elegance. As you walk up to it, the presence is unreal. Sleek, low, and sculpted, this Hyper GT commands attention from every angle. The ultra-shiny, glossy gray finish paired with those red accents, absolutely jaw-dropping. It looks fast even when it's parked. Pop open the butterfly doors, and you're greeted with an interior that screams futuristic luxury. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, finished in premium leather with sharp contrast stitching. You've got ambient lighting lines flowing across the cabin, and the dash is a clean digital interface that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Under the hood, well, under the floor, you've got 4 electric motors pushing a combined 1,900 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right. This thing goes from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds, and it's not just fast in a straight line. The torque vectoring, the low center of gravity, and adaptive suspension mean it handles like a dream too. But it's not all about brute speed. The Battista is surprisingly refined. It has multiple driving modes, so you can dial it down for city cruising or unleash its full power on a track. The cabin remains quiet even at high speeds, and there's a level of craftsmanship here that rivals the best in the world. Charging-wise, you've got a fast-charging system that gives you 80% battery in under 30 minutes. And for a hypercar, it's got a pretty respectable range, over 300 miles on a full charge. Now, let's talk numbers. This is an exclusive machine. Production is extremely limited, and the price tag reflects that. You're looking at several $1 million to own one of these masterpieces. But for those who can afford it, it's more than just a car. It's a statement. A fusion of performance, technology, and design that redefines what an electric vehicle can be. The Pininfarina Battista 2025 isn't just pushing boundaries. It's creating new ones. Want me to customize the tone more? For example, more energetic, casual, or cinematic?